So here's how you can download WhatsApp on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. And if you are new here on the Foxtecc YouTube channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it didn't used to be the case, but for a very long time, we didn't have any update or app for the WhatsApp on the iPad. But recently, there has been a new app released for the iPad, so you can just open up the App Store, look up WhatsApp, and you should be able to see the official app dedicated for that purpose. If you don't see it, I would at first update my iPad, like by going to the settings, general, and a software update. I would get the latest iPad OS at first, then I would go to the App Store and look up the WhatsApp to download it on my device. So, you now have the official app for WhatsApp, even on iPad, so that's really great. But the thing you need to know about it is that the iPad doesn't still work like a separate standalone app for WhatsApp, and it can only be set up with an iPhone or different phone, right? So on your phone, you have the main sort of like WhatsApp app where you are logged in and sign in with your phone and number. And on the phone, you have to go to the settings, click on linked devices, and just scan it the QR code, which appears on the WhatsApp app when you download it from the App Store, right? So you have to connect it to your phone first, but then it's going to work, on its own. You'll be able to make the chats, calls, whatever you need, and it will all function on the iPad. So that is how it works. Let me know in the comments if you manage to find it and start using WhatsApp on your iPad. Subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.